In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the Moomoo stock screener. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the Moomoo platform offers a fantastic tool to help you identify stocks that meet your investment criteria. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this powerful feature. First things first, you'll want to open the stock screener in Moomoo. If you're not familiar with how to find it, don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Once you're logged into your Moomoo account, navigate to the main menu and you should see an option for the stock screener. Click on it and you'll be taken to the screener page. Now that you're on the stock screener page, it's time to choose a screener that aligns with your investment goals. Moomoo offers several ready-made screeners, each designed to target specific types of stocks. For instance, if you're interested in companies with strong financial performance, you might select the High Profit and Growth screener. This option will help you find stocks that have been consistently profitable and show promising growth potential. Alternatively, if you're looking for more stable investments, the Large Cap screener could be the right choice for you. This screener focuses on companies with a large market capitalization, which are often more established and can offer more stability. On the other hand, if your focus is on generating income through dividends, you might opt for the High Dividends screener, which identifies stocks that provide attractive dividend yields. Once you've made your selection, Moomoo will present you with a list of stocks that match your chosen criteria. This list is a great starting point for further analysis, as you can review the performance and key metrics of each stock to see if they meet your personal investment standards. But what if the preset screeners don't quite match what you're looking for? No problem, Moomoo allows you to customize filters to suit your unique requirements. You can adjust various parameters such as market cap, price to earnings ratio, dividend yield, and more to refine your search and find stocks that align with your specific investment strategy. And there you have it. That's how to use the Moomoo stock screener. By leveraging this tool, you can efficiently narrow down your stock options and focus your research on the most promising candidates. Remember, investing is all about making informed decisions, and with the Moomoo stock screener, you have a powerful ally to help guide your choices. Thanks for watching and happy investing.